So this is like solving a double inequality in one shot. It's one way to solve this, and I just remember, just like equation, if you do something to one side, you have to do the same type of operation to the other side to keep the equation equal. Same thing with inequalities. With double inequalities, if you're gonna do one thing to one side, you gotta do the same thing to the other two sides. For example, um, in the middle term right here, I need to multiply the top by 3, so these two threes cancel. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So I have minus 1 times 3 less than or equal to 3 times 1 minus 4t over 3 less than or equal to 1 times 3. Now my goal was to start isolating the t. So now what I have is I have negative 3 less than or equal to 1 minus 4t less than or equal to 3. Now my next goal is to isolate just to 4t, to negative 4t. So so now I'm going to subtract 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So if you're subtracting, that's fine. You can do that. And now I end up with a minus 4 less than or equal to minus 4t less than or equal to 2. Now I can really isolate the t. Remember, we need a positive t, not a negative t. So as you can see, I can divide this one by negative 4. So I isolate the t, but as always, gotta do the same thing to all the other sides, negative 4. One thing to always keep in mind, if you're working with inequalities and you do a division or multiplication by a negative number, you have to reverse the inequality sign. So now I have here 4 divided by 4 equals a 1, a 1 positive, and I reverse the inequality signs. Here we have a t. Again, we have to reverse again the inequality, and I have 1/2. All right, negative, negative. I just reversed the inequality, not the symbol, not the minus sign. Okay, now you would think that this is my final answer because I have t by itself, but no, that's not the way you express it. It's okay, but remember the number line. On the number line you have a 0, and here you have a negative numbers, and here you have positive numbers. So you want to keep all the negatives to the left and all the positives to the right. So what I mean by this is that I want to see the negative half over on this side and the positive one over on this side. So I can do that, but remember, the inequality symbol has to follow it. So if I want to put like negative 1/2 here, that's fine. But now look at the inequality symbol has to point, whatever is pointing. Right now it's pointing at the negative 1/2. Just keep it the same way. Point at the negative 1/2. And now we put t. T has to be in the middle, and the 1 here. And again, now the inequality symbol is pointing away from the 1, pointing towards the t. So same way. You got to point towards the t. So this one would be my correct answer. Now they want to specify the answer using interval notation. When using interval notation, you use a parenthesis if it's just like greater than or less than, and you use a bracket when you have the greater than or equal or less than or equal. So in this case we have greater than or equal. 1/2 is less than or equal. So in interval notation, I would put a bracket and then negative 1/2 because that's included, and then 1, and also the 1 is included. So I'm going to use brackets. And that's it. Basically, these two are my answers. Thank you for watching.